Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So look, first and foremost, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure y'all go down and hit that subscribe button. Also, leave a like on the video and just comment down below how you guys did on this release or what you think about the shoes, just to help your boy grow the channel, man. It's 2022, so it's a new year. We have new goals. It's kind of BS, but yeah, I did my recap of 2021 and I covered all my sneaker pickups in that video. I just dropped that yesterday, so if y'all want to go check that out, I'm gonna leave a thing up there and the link's gonna be in the description. But this year I do want to release a lot more videos, just tap into my creative side, so at least one video a week, and that's like 52 videos for the year. But we're trying to get over 100 videos out this year for you guys, man. But as you guys can see in the back, I cleaned out my closet, so I'm able to access a lot more of my clothing, so you know I could do a couple lookbooks or fits for you guys. But if that's what you like, just let me know down in the comments, man. But anyways, hopping into today's video, we have the Jordan 4 Red Thunder, I believe they're calling this colorway, or Crimson. I don't know, man. A lot of people was like Crimson, other people was like Red Thunder, but yeah, it's the Jordan 4, the black and red joints that just came out this past week. Not a classic shoe, but you know, still a Jordan 4 nonetheless. When I first saw this picture released on the internet, I just knew like a lot of people was going to go after them, but it just wasn't my cup of tea because I have the Bred 4s. I have a lot of the 4s that I want. The main 4s that I really need in my collection right now, I would probably want the Olivia Kim 4s, and that's a pretty penny. But those are really nice just because I sold my black hats for the low. But yeah, these, when I first seen pictures on the internet, I was just like, cool. And then when I actually seen different pictures of them in hand surface, the red, I didn't really like the crimson red. With that being said, let's just hop into the unboxing. As you guys can see, I have the box right here. I was able to pick up a good amount of pairs yesterday, and I was kind of like an idiot. I left like 2 pairs in a store because I didn't know what time they closed. Like before in the holiday season, they close at 9, but then they changed back to normal hours and they close on 7 on Saturdays, which was kind of sad, but it is what it is. Left like $300 profit in store, but like I said, it is what it is. Stuff happens. So for the box, we have a regular Jordan 4 box. No special lid on this one like the Lightnings or the UNCs, other pairs like the white Oreos. Just a classic Jordan 4 box. As you guys see, the black lid up top with the red Jumpman and the white Flight, and it has a cement print going around the bottom half of the box, and then the bottom of the box is in gray with the Jumpman, the Nikes, and yeah, all the other lettering that comes with the Jordan 4s. And then this is a size 9, so I'm going to be bringing you guys on feet. As you guys can see, retail on these was still $190. Jordan Brand was talking about upping it to $200 this year for like most retros, but I guess this pair is still $190. And the color code, as you guys can see, is right there. This is, like I said, a size 9, and the color code is black/multicolor dash multicolor. For some reason, it was just black and crimson red. I don't know why they said multicolor. But hopping into unboxing, just flipping open the lid or taking off the lid, you guys have the cement print on the inside of the shoe. And let's take our first look at the sneakers, man. Boom, right here. These actually look not that bad in certain lighting. Like you guys see on camera, these look clean, man. These look clean. So it's just basically like, if you guys know the Thunder 4s, it was black and yellow. This pair is just Thunder 4s, but with this red replacing it. This isn't bad actually. Like seeing them in hand and taking a deeper look at them, they're actually pretty clean. I thought it was gonna be more of like this type of red, but the red on the midsole is actually pretty clean. And this pair I have right here is actually pretty clean, because a lot of pairs I know they had like glue stains and stuff. But I'm gonna hop to a B-roll to show you guys all the different details, and you guys can take a look at that. Let me know how you feel about them, and we're gonna come back and complete the full review, man. So let's cut to the B-roll. Alright, so coming back from the B-roll, as you guys can see, we have the Jordan 4 Red Thunders in hand. And like I said, they do look very, very clean. Now, I kind of want to keep a pair for myself, like just a beat 'em up pair, you feel me? Like these, the beat 'em up shits. But I do have to say, these are definitely clean. Alright, with that being said, let's just hop into the colorway breakdown of the sneaker, man. So 3 colors make up this shoe, pretty simple. It's majority black and red, but it also has white accents. So white accents, you have a Jordan Jumpman right here is in that white accent. Jordan Jumpman on the insole is in the white accent. Also on the back heel tab and on the outsole right here, you have a white Jumpman. And then most of the upper is in black. The whole nubuck area is basically black. This is definitely nubuck, not suede. So toe box, you know, around the toe box, mid panels, and all the way back to the back of the shoe. The tongue is also in black, and then the heel tab is in black with the, you know, the white Jumpman. Like I was saying, the outsole is also black, as you guys can see, with the crimson tint right here on the mid part of the outsole, you could say. And then the midsole is completely crimson tint. There's no white, there's no black. And then I don't know what these are called, like the lace part of the wings is in that red, and then also the netting is in red, and then also the lace holes right there. I don't even know what this part's called. It's like the flap is in red as well. And then the inside, the liner of the tongue is in red with Air Jordan upside down in black and white, as you guys can see right there. And that's pretty much the colorway breakdown. Oh, we also have Flight right here underneath the Jordan Jumpman on the tongue in red, and then it comes with black laces. I don't think it comes with an extra pair of laces, only black laces on this one. So yeah, there you guys have the colorway breakdown. Another thing about this shoe I do have to mention is that a lot of the pairs have like glue stain defects, and a lot of the pairs have like this it is a nubuck upper, so you guys could see like somebody beat them up or something. Like you guys could see certain materials on the top that's kind of like messed up. But yeah, just wanted to mention that for you guys as well. Now, some materials on the sneaker. The materials pretty much follow the same materials as the Thunder 4s or the Bread 4s or the Cool Gray 4s. As you guys see, the upper is completely nubuck, going around from the front to the back. As you guys can see, the like all black portions of the upper is that nubuck material. And then they also have plastic hints on the wings and this eyelet area right here for the lace. And then on the back, as you guys can see, the heel tab is also plastic. And then the outsole is in that rubber compound. And then the midsole is just in like this, it's definitely not Phylon, but it's like this like midsole that comes on all Jordan 4s, like this hard midsole that cracks over time. So yeah, there you guys have that. And then I do have to say, Jordan 4s are doing this thing where on the inside of the tongue, they're giving you this more comfortable padding, which is nice. I do like it, but then it kind of makes your tongue look a little bit different from the older models. But it is a nice detail, man. But yeah, that pretty much covers the material of the shoe. Basic, you know, Jordan 4s. If it's not leather, then it's that nubuck suede. Y'all let me know what y'all like better, man, on 4s. The leather, like the white cements, or the nubuck, like the Breads and these. With material covered, now let's talk about sizing. With sizing, I typically go true to size on Jordan 4s. So if you're a 9, just get that 9, man. Jordan 4s are kind of like bulky, so some people do go down half a size, but I do just recommend you guys going true to size if you guys could get that size, man. So yeah, go true to size on Jordan 4s. Now as for comfort on Jordan 4s, yeah, comfort is a completely different story. It's kind of like a clunky shoe, so they're not that comfortable. I would just have to say 6 out of 10, just because like the looks make up for the comfort. So 6 out of 10, you're not gonna be the most comfortable in these. Just like the air unit really doesn't even feel like there's an air unit there, you know what I'm saying? But just give it a 6 out of 10 for comfort, man. I feel like 6 out of 10 is like the standard. 5 is like mid, you know what I'm saying? And anything under that is just like you're uncomfortable with the shoe. Like these, you're not gonna be uncomfortable, but you're not gonna be comfortable, you feel me? So yeah, I just give it a 6 out of 10. With that being said, I'm just gonna cut to a quick little on feet for you guys, because this is a size 9. I like to wear a lot of my 4s now with like cargos, just baggier stuff. And then if I do wear them, sometimes I wear them with sweats. and that's the look I'm gonna give you guys today with the Fear of God sweats. So yeah, let's cut to the on feet, then we're gonna come back, wrap things up with my resale predictions and my final opinions, man. So yeah, let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the on feet, hopefully you guys got a good look at the shoes right here. These are pretty nice. Like I said, on feet they look nice as well. Just that different lighting brings out the red more sometimes. Like it turns the red into like a brighter red. That's why people call it crimson. But yeah, let's talk about resale on this shoe, man. Enough blabbering. Resale on these right now on StockX and the market, it's around like $330 ass, and that's pretty calm for this shoe. I like that pricing for the shoe. Do I think they're gonna drop like the Cool Grays and Patent 1 breads did over time? Probably, because the initial hype with the market, it usually comes out when the shoe first comes out. There's like a lot of hype, so people run up the prices. So 330, 340, 350. But if I could see these dropping under 300, and that's a if, I don't see them dropping under 300 though. But if these drop under 300, I'll be picking them up like 290, 280. I wish if I get that price, I'll just pick them all up and then I'll just hold on to them, because I do see these being like a $400 shoe. Just because if you look at like breads, you look at white cements, the white Oreos, any Jordan 4 that had like a good look to them in the past, I want to say like year, they've been going up like crazy. Because I did say in 2020 that Jordan 4s was going to be the next big model, and yeah, it turns out to be true. But kind of sucks that the initial reselling price is so high on these. But yeah, there you guys have it for the resale, man. I would suggest you guys can hold on to these or sell them now, all up to you. But I think the market is going to be around like 350 to 400 in like the upcoming months. I don't see a huge jump, but I don't see a huge decrease either. There was a lot of pairs of these, so just keep that in mind. So just do your own due diligence on these, and you can sell them now or you can hold on to them, make a few extra bucks. That's all up to you. And if like I said, if they drop under 300, I'll recommend picking these up. I kind of flopped yesterday not buying 2 pairs for 300, but it is what it is. Yesterday was just an L. So yeah, there you guys have it. Now to wrap things up with my final opinions on these, will I be adding them to my collection? I honestly don't know right now, because I'm gonna see how many pairs I sell. If I have a leftover 8.5 or 9, I'll just throw it in the collection, man. And that's just how I'm feeling about these. But yeah, just because this could be like my first pickup of 2022. But then again, it's just like, I don't know, because I barely wear my bread 4s anyway. But then these could replace me being on my bread 4s. But then I also have 3 pairs of bread 4s. So yeah, man, y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think, man. So it's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.